Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today I'm going to show you how to pair and connect your Beat Solo 3 wireless. Let's move on to the video. By the way, in case you bought these headphones used or you just got a used pair from a friend, you might want to reset them before you're going to connect them to your phone. To reset, you're going to press on the power button, which is located on the right side, and the volume down button, which is located under the B logo on the left side. And you're gonna hold both of them for 10 seconds until the light starts flashing. After it starts flashing, simply release the buttons and it's gonna reset the headphones. By the way, it's also gonna go into pairing mode immediately. Now, in case you don't need to reset your headphones and you just got them brand new, simply hold the power button for about 5 seconds up until all of the lights flash, and then it will put the headphones in pairing mode as well. Now, after it's in pairing mode, let's move on to how to pair them with the iPhone. Now, if you have iPhone with iOS 10 and above, the headphones are supposed to pop up immediately on your screen, as you see right now. Once you see it on the screen, simply press connect, and you're gonna be connected to the headphones. Now, there's another way, which is the traditional way, by just going to the Bluetooth settings. In the Bluetooth settings, simply look for the headphones, press on them, and it's supposed to connect. Now for Android, the same thing, put your headphones into pairing mode. Now you can either do it by two ways. You can go to the Bluetooth settings and do it the traditional way by just looking for the headphones and clicking on it, and then you can also rename it through there. Or you can go to the Beats app by just opening the Beats app. As soon as you open it, it's supposed to show you the headphones. You just press connect. That's it.
I like it.
By the way, if you're wondering how you can customize your earpads just like these, we're running a 30% off sale on our website. Simply click the link right here to grab your coupon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us in the comment section down below, or contact us in the contact information that we have in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, as we release more how-to videos every month.